Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be a comparison between two foundations. I'm comparing two foundations today from Nars, and this is my Holy Grail foundation. This is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. My shade is 1.5 medium. This is Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. This is in the shade Fiji Light number 5. I like both of them. I bought this one a long time ago, and this is my second one. Really enjoy this foundation. It's long wearing. It has a beautiful radiant finish. It's very luminous on the skin, doesn't feel dewy or sticky. It's perfect for my normal to dry skin. I love the consistency of this foundation. It looks just flawless and great on the skin. It just gives you that glowy, healthy looking foundation on the skin. It's so beautiful. This one, I was introduced to this one just a few weeks ago. I did a full first impression of this foundation. I will list it down below. This is a great foundation as well. It has a beautiful light reflecting technology with a skincare benefits. It's long wearing. It looks so stunning on the skin. It dries down better than this one here. This has more luminosity to it just because of the light reflecting technology in this foundation. I can't choose either or. I will still repurchase this foundation. This is a great foundation as well. And yeah, I do have them on my face today, so I will give them a try and wear them all day today, and then I will check in with you guys in a few hours, and I will check at the end of the day as well to see which one lasted better. I'm gonna use this primer here from Run Clean Skincare. This is the Perfect Canvas. I'm gonna take a drop here and a drop there, and I'm gonna rub it into my skin. My nails are not done today. I'm gonna be doing them after this video. Do love both of these foundations. This is my Holy Grail foundation of all times from Nars. It looks so great on the skin. This one I recently reviewed. I'll link my video down below to see the full review. This is in the shade Light number 5 Fiji. The foundation shades are not going to be very similar, so we will make them work. This one was my summer shade when I bought it, and this one is my winter shade because I just got this recently. So the light reflecting foundation is going to be on my right side. This one is going to be on my left side, and this is called the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. The longwear foundation, this one here is in the shade medium 1.5. I'm going to apply the Natural Radiant Foundation first. I'm going to use this brush from It Cosmetics. So the foundation is not going to be the exact shade. This foundation gives you beautiful radiant. It's medium buildable. I would say it gives you a flawless finish, as you can see. I really like it. It's long wearing and it's very comfortable on the skin. And it's so quick and easy to blend. It's just like an effortless foundation, and it just looks flawless on the skin. Just curious to see what the difference is between these two foundations, just because they both give this beautiful kind of radiant finish but without being too dewy. You know what I mean? Like, it's just so perfect, and any skin type can use these foundations. They're not too dewy. A tiny bit dark on my skin right now. Maybe not. It matches my tan a little bit. Okay, so this is like one pump. So this is the Natural Long Wearing Radiant Foundation. I'm gonna apply this light reflecting foundation from Nars on this side here. I'm using this Merit Beauty foundation brush. So yeah, the color is not going to be a match here. So this foundation has more glow to it. As you can see, this is more subtle. It gives you that luminous finish, but it's not as luminous as this side here. As you can see, apply the same primer, same skincare on both sides. So this is just the foundation finish. I really like both, to be honest. I'm not gonna say I like this one better. This was my holy grail the whole time until this came. Actually, to be honest, like, even the foundation color is not that bad. Like, I'm looking at myself in person in the mirror, it's not looking that much of a difference. So I'm not gonna be working with so much concealer to correct everything. This is a close-up. I want you guys to see both foundations. I don't see a difference between them. They have almost the same coverage. This is more luminous than this side here, but the coverage is, I feel like it's the same. And even the shade, to be honest, like in person, I don't see a difference in between, but this is medium and this is light. And you can actually see the difference when you see the bottles. Like they look, this looks darker than this one here. But when applied, I don't see that much of a difference. So I'm gonna use all Nars makeup today, except for my powder, probably because I don't have any powder from Nars. I'm gonna fast forward this part so you can see what I'm using on my face. Makeup is all finished and I really love the way everything looks. It went easily, blended nicely on both sides. I don't look like I have two different foundations on my face, to be honest. Like, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person, I'm looking straight ahead. I'm using the window light. I don't see any difference in between two foundations. The coverage is quite the same. The finish, as I said, more luminous on this side just because it has that light reflecting technology. I think it has more luminosity to it, but it doesn't feel dewy or sticky or anything on both sides. I think I really love both sides, to be honest. As I said, this was my holy grail foundation of all times. This is my second bottle. I do use it on my clients as well. It's really a lovely foundation. It's 12:21 at the moment. In the afternoon, so I will try to wear this foundation till maybe 6 p.m. today, and I will come on camera and show you guys how it looks. We'll see you soon. Hey guys, I am back. It's 4:30 in the afternoon, so I've been wearing this foundation for about 4 hours now. Both looking good on my skin. There's no huge difference as I'm looking in the mirror. Everything looks exactly the same. Like, I don't see a huge difference between this side or this side. They're not wearing off. They're not sinking into my lines. Everything looks so smooth, still radiant, both sides. I still feel like this side is more radiant than this side here. I don't really see a huge difference between the two. They're both radiant. I see the same shine everywhere. I did not set here. I used a little bit of powder. I didn't even put any powder like around my mouth area. And it is just, it looks good everywhere. So we're still good here. So I will come and check with you guys at the end of the day. It's 8 o'clock at night and this is what the foundation looked like. I think both sides look great. If you have either this foundation or this foundation on this side, I think they both look great on the skin. They last a long time. They both have that beautiful luminous radiant finish. Even my family didn't recognize that I had 2 different foundations on my face. So if you have one of these foundations, you don't have to purchase the other foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.